Welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today we are going to make chicken Manchurian. Let's get started. We need the following ingredients to begin. We are going to use 2 pounds of chicken breast, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala and some salt, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Let's crack an egg in here as well. Let's mix the ingredients together. We are going to let this sit and marinate for about 15 minutes. Now, we are going to deep fry the marinated chicken. I'm going to drop 1 piece of chicken in there. Since our oil is nice and hot, let's drop a spoonful of chicken in there. You want the chicken to be golden brown. Oh, look, this is perfect. Fry rest of them like this. Next, I'm going to make the Manchurian sauce. For this, we are going to grab about 2 tablespoons of the oil we used to fry the chicken in. Once the oil is hot, add half a tablespoon of the minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of the minced garlic and saute for a minute. Now I am going to add diced onions and saute. Next, let's add in the green and red bell peppers. Now, give it a quick stir. That we have sorted our vegetables. Let's add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1½ tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, 1½ tablespoons of ketchup. Let's mix it up. To help thicken the gravy, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of diluted cornstarch. Let's add 1 cup of chicken stock. Let it simmer for a minute. Our gravy is ready. Let's add the fried chicken into the sauce and let it simmer. Our chicken Manchurian is ready now. Now we're going to sprinkle with some spring onions. Our tasty chicken Manchurian is ready now. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.